This is my favorite part of the country because of the transitional nature of the forest to the tundra. Beautiful, rolling, lichen-covered sandy hills dotted with spruce trees. It's an absolutely magical landscape.
The mosses and lichens and the birches, everything is starting to go to a fall color. That's just a spectacular treat to see fall in a subarctic environment.
There are lots of berries around, which is great to identify and eat them. The lichen becomes really prominent on the landscape because it's so colorful. And there are still a few birds around. Lots of loons calling, which is very evocative of the north.
The eskers here, which are the sand hills, are a really unusual and beautiful geographical feature.
They're fantastic for walking on, they're fantastic for camping on, and they're also very good for caribou and muskox. It's a reminder that this space has been traveled for thousands of years by the ancient peoples and now by us and still by the animals.
These are places where people gathered to hunt caribou, and you can see the traces of stone tools that people left behind from those times, 200, 300 years ago, going right back in time to 8,000 years ago.
We had really super guides, really friendly, really knowledgeable, incredibly hardworking. They stuffed us with delicious food at every opportunity. It was just an incredibly positive experience.
Jack Pine Paddle is awesome. The guides are incredibly good. Fabulous food. They know the landscape. I have complete confidence in their safety procedures, and it's all just beautifully put together from a trip point of view.
To have the experience to be some of the first travelers, like modern travelers, through Jack Pine Paddle, to see this landscape is truly a remarkable experience, and one I'm going to treasure for the rest of my life.